Guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna make this pretty pair of earrings which has a combination of these handcrafted kundan stud and then this tassel which I have made out of mold and fabric. So we have seen so many most of the earrings which has oxidized stud or something oxidized stud, but I try to get it innovative and try to make a stud like this which is purely handmade, made out of this kundan and these chains, and it's looking so pretty, right? So yeah, and it's very easy to make, and you can make it in like 5 to 10 minutes depending on how fast the glue is getting dried. So I hope that you'll enjoy the tutorial, and yeah, definitely try to make these earrings at home. And I suggest you to, like, suppose I have made this fabric which is kind of which is this designer fabric, but you can take plain fabric also, or you can take any other fabric of any other design. So I hope that you so do try to make these earrings at home, and do let me know what type of fabric you use in this. If you like this tutorial, do give it a thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So first we'll take a canvas of cardboard. I have taken this cardboard of wedding card, and then we'll attach this kundan with the help of fevicol. So I always use fevicol whenever we have to do something with the paper. And then we'll take this small size golden bead chain and we'll attach it round to this kundan, and we'll have two layers. Now again, with the help of fevicol, we'll have another third layer of pearl bead chain. This is again small size pearl bead chain. So we'll quickly add them, and we have to make sure. So this chain has a lot of space between two pearls, but I try to not have any space, and attach them here together like this. Like, you just have to press it to the nearby. So like this we have to attach it, and now we'll wait for this to get dry, and we'll cut it, the extra part, and then we'll flip it to the back side and we'll attach this stud. So again, with the help of fevicol, we'll attach this, and once it get dry we'll add. And now with this we're gonna attach one eye pin, because we have to add this to our dangle. So I'm taking this eye pin and we'll add this to the down, and once this one get dry we'll add the backside fabric. So I'm taking the so now I'll use this B6000 glue, and with the help of that we'll attach this fabric to this, and I'll cut the extra part too. So our this stud is ready, and we'll keep this aside, and we'll use this down part. For that I'm taking this mold, and we'll just add any designer fabric as per our preference, which is easily available. Like, you can also add plain fabric to this, and then with the help of needle and thread we'll attach the pearls. So first we'll add the needle, and then we'll add 3 pearls, okay? And we are gonna take the needle from a very next pearl, so that we can have this triangular shape kind of a design of this pearl. So you have to just take the needle from the next just very aside. There need not be any space, otherwise that design won't come, and the pearls will come as a flat lay. So rather than that, we need to have this triangular kind of shape. So make sure to have attach the needle and thread the next to it, and then sew it very properly. And in the same way we are going to attach these pearls to all the edges of this hexagon. So I won't cut this needle and thread, and we'll sew it to the next round angle of this hexagon, and we'll attach these pearls, 3 pearls, and we'll form that a triangular kind of design to this, which will enhance its looks. And we're gonna add to all the angles of this hexagon. So in the same way we have to do. And I have taken the hexagon here, but it's your choice. If you want like square or pentagon or triangle, you can have it. So it's totally up to you what shape you want and what color of design of fabric you want. So with this we have made this, and this is how it looks. And I have also attached this backside fabric. So now you can see there is a hole to this, and with the help of that mold only we are gonna attach the stud and the dangle part together. So I'm taking this jump ring and will attach. I will just add you just guess where the hole will be here, and will insert the jump ring in this with the help of the plier, and we will add this stud in this jump ring, and we'll close this jump ring very tightly with the help of plier, so that there won't be any issue later on. So yeah, that's it. This is how our these pretty earrings are ready. Ta-da! And that's our second one. So do let me know how do you like this video, and how do you like this jewelry design. I have tried to make this stud in a different way, like I have tried to make it handmade only rather than buying anything from the market. So do let me know how do you like this idea of jewelry designing. Stay connected, stay blessed. See you. Bye bye.